So this is the one of the apartment out here in Almeria. It's a floor. So we enter. This was the entrance foyer. This entire thing is your living area. Along with the living area, you have one guest bedroom. Here you will be having the wooden flooring in the guest bedroom. Along with the guest bedroom, you have one common toilet bathroom. All the fittings are from Roka, whether it's china ware, whether it's the sanitary ware. So living room and guest bedroom is having a balcony on the first floor and second floor both. Again, we are using the granite in the flooring. We haven't used any tile here in this particular area. So front side two doors that you are looking at. One of them, left hand side you have the guest bed or master bedroom, and right hand side you have the kids room. And all the flooring, you talk about the living room, then the dining area, then the master bedroom. Everything is out here is the Italian marble here. In remaining two bedrooms, you will have wooden flooring. This is the area that is in front of the dining area that can be used as your temple, that can be used as your crockery furnishing and all. And right hand side, you have the modular kitchen. We'll be providing you the modular kitchen. Without chimney and hob though, but yes, you will be having that. Along with the kitchen area, you have one utility balcony where you can have the washing machine. So now we move towards the kids room. So this is the entrance foyer of the kids room. At right hand side you have the kids bathroom. Again the sanitary ware and the china ware is from the Roka. Again you have the kids room, you have the wooden flooring. This kids room is also attached with the balcony there. And again kids room also have a separate wardrobe area. Now we move towards the master bedroom. Master bedroom, as I already informed, it is Italian marble. Out there in the corner you can see the wardrobe area. Again, this area is connected with this room is connected with the balcony, and this is the bathroom of the master bedroom. So again, you have the Roka china ware and Roka fittings fittings will be there. At the same time, the flooring of the master bedroom bathroom is Italian marble. In fact, on the walls also you don't have any tile. You have the Italian marble here. Let's take a look towards the balcony as well. So this is the balcony of the rear side, which is connecting the kids room as well as here in the master bedroom.